Enter elevator snacking with crunch cafe latte. Yan siya. Let's try. So this is a coffee flavored yogurt and
Are you guys together?
oh no.
Hi. We got some Greek yogurt today, flavored cafe latte. Are you guys okay with caffeine and nuts? Alright, so there we go. Two for each.
Oh, thank you.
And that's $10 for a video.
Oh, thank you. Here you go. Thank you for visiting and enjoy. Let's try. It's free. Here in Vegas. So guys, pumili ako dyan. May libreng ganito sila. Nagbigay sila ng dalawa. Tikman natin. Ganito yung laman niya guys. Baka bagong product nila. Liberté. Greek. Ayan. Oh! Wala man lang spoon?
Man, meron. Hindi ka lang umuha.
Tanungin natin kung meron silang spoon. Yung spoon nila ay nasa ibang line. So, tigman na natin guys. Dalawa yung kinuha kong spoon para sa isa. Ganyan siya. Oh, tignan natin. So, kung nandito kayo ngayon sa Eton Mall, meron silang palibrang ganito. Malapit ito sa Tipo, Sushi Mart. Yan. Hindi ba siya? Ayan. So nice. So, mix natin to. Then, wanna try? Siyang coffee. Sarap siya. Yummy. Kaya, ang sarap talaga ng libre guys. Hindi lang. Pipila pa ako.